Hello everyone and welcome back. Today Scarlett will be showing us how to make some delicious crepes.
February 2nd is my birthday, and I've celebrated it a lot of ways, but one of my favorites is to celebrate the French holiday La Chandeleur, which also falls on February 2nd, where basically you just eat a lot of crepes. Let's get started.
So today we are going to make crepes. We're standing in my town center kitchen. This has been my favorite housing so far because of the kitchen. It's my first housing with a kitchen, so I'm really excited. But today we're gonna make crepes. And right now I have everything laid out mise en place style, which means that I just had all the ingredients out and measured already. So what we're gonna start with is a cup of flour. And then we have 2 eggs. Can I crack these one-handed? We'll find out. I can't. I absolutely cannot. Okay. So first egg, second egg. And then this is the point at which you're gonna pause and you're gonna mix just the flour and egg together. Okay. And then the next step, you actually are going to want half a cup of milk. Please don't spill. And I couldn't measure this out before because I only own 1/2 cup measure, but let me go over here and get half a cup of water from my little water filter. Add that, and this is the second portion of the mixing. Now once you've got that mixed, you are going to want to add our 1/4 teaspoon salt and our 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, and then final mixing stage. Your next step, now that you have the batter done, is you are going to take a pan over a medium heat and you're gonna pour a little bit of batter in. And this is relative to the pan you use. I only have this teeny tiny little pan, so I'm only gonna make teeny tiny little crepes. And that's okay because I'm gonna eat like 47 of them. And you put in the batter, and you pick up the pan and you swirl it around to spread out the batter. And this is in honor of Chandeleur, which is the French holiday celebrating spring. It's pretty similar to our Groundhog's Day, really. And there's a little bit of a tradition that is you flip the crepes with 1 coin in your non-dominant hand. Wait, you flip the crepes with your non-dominant hand and you hold a coin in your dominant hand. I write with my right hand, but I play sports and instruments with my left, so I've got high hopes. So I've got a coin in the right, and my crepe looks ready to be flipped. Oh no, please. The tradition says that if you do this right, then you'll get rich, but please. Oh, someone call financial aid because I'm not gonna be needing any this year. I'm gonna be rich. I have some melted chocolate and some cut up strawberries for my tiny little crepe. Just take a bit of chocolate, smear it everywhere, get it all over your countertops, whatever. And a few strawberries. Drop those in the middle of my crepe, which is just so small. And you can roll it up. And you have the tiniest crepe on it. I'm so happy I made these crepes so small. It makes me so happy to just see a tiny crepe. But anyways, you've done it. You've celebrated the coming of spring with a really cool French holiday and you get a really delicious dessert. So happy spring, or as you would say in French, joyeux printemps. Bye.
Crepes are way easier to make than it seems, and I've been making them forever. Once I messed up really bad making pancakes, and I just turned them into crepes. Hopefully this recipe will save your future pancakes.
So thanks for the great recipe, Scarlett. Hope everyone else had a great time and see you all next time.